Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to earn money from Neobucks. So just by doing part-time you can earn money from Neobucks. Just by spending 15 minutes or half an hour per day you can earn $10 per day or $20 per day, even $50 or $100 per day by using Neobucks. You can see here there are a lot of people who are already earning lot of money from Neobucks. You can see this, the simple Neobucks strategy earned me $11,000 in just 8 months. And you can see these are all the people who wrote the blog post on their achievement here. How to make $100 per month with Neobucks, $40 per day strategy, and $30 a day with Neobucks. So like this we can earn some huge amount by using Neobucks. Yeah, hi friends, welcome to my channel Digital Srikanth. So if you want to see more and more earning tips like this, just subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my video updates. Okay, so now let's dive in. We'll see how to earn money from Neobucks. So if you want to earn money from Neobucks, just go to neobucks.com, click registered button, and here you have to fill the registration form. Just give your email ID, username, password, everything, and click continue. Once you click continue, Neobucks will send a verification code for your email ID. Just enter that code here and complete your registration. Once you log into Neobucks, the dashboard will look like this. Here you are going to earn money from Neobucks just by doing the simple tasks, just like watching the advertisements or completing the surveys or playing the games. These are all the ways where you can earn money from Neobucks. First I will show you how to earn money from Neobucks. Next I will show you how to get success in Neobucks. Okay, first I will show the work how you are going to do here. Just go to view advertisement. You can see these are all the different ads will come with different colors. These are pink color ads, and these are gray color ads, and these are yellow color ads. The yellow color advertisements are very important. I will tell you why it is very important later. So what the work you have to do here, just click the ad here. It will ask you to click on the red dot. Just click the red dot. A new tab will open. You can see the waiting for the advertisement to load, and the Neobucks inside the letter O, the timer is counting down. Once the advertisement got finished, you can see advertisement validated, $0.001 created in your account. So you can close this one and see the other advertisement like this. The amount which you are getting here will immediately credit in your Neobucks wallet here. Okay, this is one way of doing the work. Next you have to go to surveys. For the first time, if you are going with the surveys, you have to complete your survey profile here. Later, as per your profile, you will get these kind of surveys here. Just open any one of these survey, complete the survey, and get the money directly to your Neobucks account. So here, before they are going to start the survey, they will ask your personal details like your name, your earnings, what is your occupation, something like that. Accordingly, they will go to the next steps. If you qualify for that survey, the survey questions will continue for you. If you complete that survey, you will get the money here. Here I will show you, these are all the amount which I got from surveys. See, these are all the amount which I got. You can see almost $2.38 one time I got credited to my account, and one more time I got around more than $3 I think. You can see $3.81 credited in my account. So these are all the amount which I got from surveys. Next one, you can earn money just by playing the games here. Okay, here each and every game session, once you complete the game, you will get $0.001 per each game. There are some rules and regulations involved here. You can see the minimum game time you need to play for at least 2 minutes. If you want to get this money, minimum you have to play for 2 minutes, and daily they are going to pay for up to 100 game sessions only in the span of just 24 hours. So you can play multiple games, or else you can play the same game again and again for 24 hours. After 100 games also you can play the games, but they won't pay the money for you. Third one, if you want to get credit, you must have to complete the game either by winning or by losing. You must have to complete the game, and you can get the score here. Next, the play now button. You can see the button is there, right? The play now button will generate a link for us. Let us say if you click the play now button, it will open a new tab. Here the gaming dashboard will open for you. So this play now button will generate a link which will allow you to pay for 120 minutes. So first 2 hours only. For every 2 hours, you have to close this window and again you have to click on play now button. Again you have to start play the games. These are all the games where you can play and you can earn money. Okay. So these are the different methods to earn money from NeoBucks. Even if you want to earn coins, you can go for coins here and earn the coins also here. I will let you know why these coins are useful for you. Okay. So these are the simple way to earn money from NeoBucks. Just by spending at least for 15 minutes or half an hour per day, you can generate a lot of income through NeoBucks. Then everybody will get the doubt here. So how can I earn that much of big amount even if I'm getting per penny per click? How can I get that much of amount? There is a separate NeoBucks strategy here. So first of all, what is NeoBucks? NeoBucks is just PTC sites and how they will get the money, because the advertisers will pay the money to these PTC sites and the PTC sites will keep some margin. Later the PTC sites will give the money for publishers who wants to earn money from these PTC sites. So there are a lot of PTC sites are there in online, but don't go with all the sites. There are a lot of more than 90% of the fake sites are there, where NeoBucks is the site which is running successfully from past 2008 onwards. From past 2008 onwards, NeoBucks is running successfully and paying some lakhs of dollars to the users who is earning money from NeoBucks. Here, how to earn more money from NeoBucks? There is a separate strategy is there, the NeoBucks strategy. That strategy only you can see a lot of people they have wrote in their blog post here. These are all the strategies where it will be helpful for them to earn $5 per day, $10 per day, even $50 per day. Okay, and you can see this is the person who got $11,000 in just 8 months using this NeoBucks strategy. Then what is this strategy and how to earn more money from NeoBucks? Here, if you want to earn more money from NeoBucks, you need to go with referrals here. Okay, you can see there is a direct and rented referrals. There are two kinds of referrals are there. One is direct referrals and another one is rented referrals. I will show you here how much amount you will get from your referrals. Okay, let us say that for each and every person who registered NeoBucks for the first time, they will be considered as a standard member here. Okay, you can consider as a standard member. For standard member, you can see this is the amount which you are going to earn per each advertisement click. $0.001 will be credited for your own clicks. Whereas in case of your direct referrals, you will get 0.0005, which is half of the amount when compared to your own click. You can see here 0.001 divided by 2. So the half of the amount you are going to get from your direct referrals. Whereas the very important thing is rented referrals. You can earn 4 times bigger than your amount. If you are clicking, you will get 0.001. Whereas in case of your rented referrals, you will get 0.005, which is 4 times bigger than your own clicks. So here you have to concentrate on more on rented referrals to earn huge amount from NeoBucks. Then how to get the rented referrals here? Okay, there is separate referral packages are there. Here I will show you. You can see if you want to purchase the referrals here, these are the packages. 3, 5, 10 up to 100 members you can able to purchase. Each pack consists of 3 members or 5 members or up to 100 members you can purchase here. And you know, whatever the referrals you are purchasing, they will be created in your account for 30 days, which means we are just renting the people to earn money for you. So we are just renting the people who will work for you for next 30 days. Okay, then how much you have to pay here? Normally you have to pay 0.60 for 3 rented referrals. Okay, which means you are paying 0.20 for 1 rented referrals. Here I will tell you, don't see the NeoBucks is just like a money making website. Just treat the NeoBucks as your business. Then what you have to do? The strategy is don't purchase the referrals. Once you got 0.60, mostly the people will purchase the referrals. But you can't say that the referrals will work for you. Maybe some referrals will work or some referrals may not work. In that case, we have to keep some advance money for their future renting purpose. So what my suggestion is, just earn up to $3 for the first. Once you got $3, then purchase 3 referrals. Okay, like that keep earn money from NeoBucks and invest the amount which you earn from NeoBucks for your rented referrals. So normally once you got $2 or above $2, you will get an eligibility to withdraw the money from NeoBucks. Now I'll show you how to withdraw. Here you can see your payments. We are going for your payments. I got type with ATM, so you can type with Neteller or Skrill or ATM or PayPal, whatever it is. You can click ATM. You can see you are about to transfer $9.62 to your ATM. Once I click S button here, they will deduct 0.10 for processing fee and $9.52 will create it in my ATM account. Once you got this ATM account, the amount will directly transfer to your ATM account. From that ATM account, you can directly withdraw the money to your Paytm account or else your directly bank transfer, anything you can withdraw that amount in your local currency. I will show you how to open the ATM account in another video. So then once you purchase the referrals here, later on your next target is you have to keep purchase the rented referrals whenever you are earning money. So if you are earning money from watching the advertisements or by completing the surveys or by playing the games, or you are getting the money from your referrals, whatever the amount you are earning, don't withdraw the money, just reinvest that money in NeoBucks to purchase the rented referrals. So up to when you have to purchase the rented referrals until you got 300 rented referrals here. Once you got rented referrals, I will show you how much of approximate money you can earn from NeoBucks as a standard member. You can see as a standard member, 300 rented referrals into, normally NeoBucks won't pay for all the clicks what they are watching. They will pay only for the 4 yellow color advertisements. Here for the standard member you will get only 4 ads, whereas I am the golden member, I am getting 9 advertisements here. So NeoBucks will pay only for these yellow color advertisements, fixed 4 yellow color ads. So you can see here, just open the calculator. 0.005 is the amount which you are going to get from NeoBucks as a standard member. Here again I will show you. You can see 0.005, okay, into 4 ads they are going to pay the money for us. 0.02 is the amount which you will get from each referral per day. So each referral per day into, we are having 300 referrals, so total of $6 we will get here. You can see 300 referrals into 0.02, $6 for referral per day you will get here. $6 into 30 days, you will get up to $180 per month here at this time, okay. And you have to pay the money for these 300 rented referrals, because for renting the referrals for 30 days, you have to pay the money for them for 30 days. So then how much you are going to pay? 300 into 0.20 for each referral. So you have to pay $60 for them. Then $180 minus $60, $120 is your profit. So at this time you can earn up to $120 profit. But here you have to know one thing. If you want to receive the money from your referrals, you must have to view your advertisements. Let us say that how many ads you are getting here, especially these fixed yellow color advertisements are very important. If you want to receive the money from your referrals tomorrow, so at least today you have to watch your advertisements. That's the reason I told you, you have to spend at least 10 to 15 minutes per day in order to get more and more money from NeoBucks. Because if you are not watching your own advertisement, you can't get the money from your referrals here. So daily you have to spend at least 10 minutes per day for NeoBucks just to watch your own advertisements, okay. Once you got that 300 referrals, then what is your next target? You have to purchase the golden membership worth $90 per year. You can see you have to purchase the golden membership for $90 in a year. Imagine you purchase the golden membership here at this time, then I will show you how much you are going to get as a golden membership with same 300 referrals. With the same 300 referrals, the amount which you are going to get will be increased here, because as a golden member you are going to get 0.01 per click. So 0.01 into 4 ads. Totally we are going to get 0.04 into 300 referrals again. So the amount is completely getting doubled into 30 days. So totally $360 you are going to get per month at that time. Out of that $360, again you have to pay 300 members rent here. So the same rent will be the same here. So $60, 360 minus 60. So approximately you will get a maximum of $300 at this point of time. You know how much the $300 it means? If you are calculating to your local currency, $300 means approximately 21,799 rupees you can get at that particular time. Okay, just by spending your 10 to 15 minutes a day and watching your own advertisements, you can earn $300 at that point of time here. Okay, imagine if you are having more and more referrals. After purchasing the golden membership, keep purchase the referrals here. Okay, so more the referrals you are having, more the amount you can generate. Imagine you are having a 2000 referrals, 2000 rented referrals into 0.04. How much it cost? 0.04 into 2000 referrals. $80 per day you can get into 30 days. Approximately $2,400 per month you can get. So for those 2000 people, you have to pay the rent here 0.020 for each referral. So it costs around $400. So your profit is 2,400 minus 400. $2,000 is your profit. So $2,000 in the sense you will get 1,45,000 per month at that point of time. More the referrals you are getting, more the amount you can generate at that particular time. So you can see here in forum, if you are having any doubts on NeoBucks, you can go to forum and you can clarify your doubts. Here you can, lot of people are there who already started sharing their stats and the success stories and the payment proofs. You can see all that information here. Okay, just open the stats and see what the people they wrote. He is the person who got golden membership with 400 rented referrals. Okay, so like that people are keep sharing about their stats. He is the person who is having ultimate membership. After golden membership, you can go for ultimate membership also, and he is having 14,024 rented referrals with a 200% ROI, means return on investment. Okay, so this is what the best way you can generate the money from home just by sitting 10 to 15 minutes a day. So spend your valuable time for 10 to 15 minutes a day to generate more and more income. Here you have to remember one main thing. If you are not working with NeoBucks continuously for 30 days, if you are not logging to NeoBucks account continuously for 30 days, NeoBucks will suspend your account. That is one thing you have to remember. Second thing, with only one PC and one IP address, one account holder can only able to work here. So if you are having a multiple people in your house, if you are having only one computer, only one person can able to work with that computer and with the some IP address here. So don't work with multiple IP address or multiple computers. Okay, and second thing and third one is don't work in LAN connected PC also. So in that case the NeoBucks may suspend your account. So these are the things you have to keep in your mind while you are working with NeoBucks. And if you want to go with the direct referrals, there is some limit for direct referrals are there here. So if you are a new member, you won't get this much of direct referrals, as I am getting 385 limit of direct referrals here, but initially I got only 3 members or 5 members only. Whenever I am keep working with NeoBucks, at the time the number got increased for me up to 385. It may increase also. Okay, but the direct referrals are not that much important because you are going to get only few amount here. But in case if you are getting direct referrals, there is one more option that you can sell the referrals also here. You can sell them to NeoBucks and you can get the money which is coming to your rental balance. With this balance, you can purchase the rented referrals also. Okay, if you want to refer your own friends or family members, just go to banners here. Here you can able to find the rented referral. So if you really want to earn money from NeoBucks, just click the link in the description and sign up using that link. So it's my referral link. If you are interested to join under me and to get my support to get success in NeoBucks, just go with that link and register here. You can register without any referral ID also. Let us say you can see without any giving referral ID, you can register. But these kind of people, the people who are selling their direct referrals and the people who are registering without the referral ID, all these people will automatically go under NeoBucks company, and these referrals only NeoBucks is selling as a rented referrals for all the people throughout the world here. And there is one more thing where whenever you are watching the advertisement here, for each and every ad you will get 4 ad prices. just go through that ad prices, click that ad prices, because the completely depends upon your luck. You will get some points, you will get some money, or you will get golden membership also, depends upon your luck. I will show you how it will come like. So these are the ad prices will look like this. So I got around 25 cents one time and 50 cents one time and 10 points one time, like that we'll keep get the ad prices, depends upon your luck here. And sometimes will people say that, sir, the rented referrals which I am purchasing, maybe few people they won't work here. In that case, what I can do? So you can automatically renewal that person. Let us say that if this person is not working from so many days onwards, just recycle them. Okay, you can recycle them. So this is where we have to keep recycle the people, so that after certain point of time you will get only the people who are actually working for you. Okay, so this is where you can earn money from NeoBucks. If you want to get my support, just the link in the description, because it's my referral link. Whoever is joining under me, just send a mail with the screenshot. I will give the complete support for you to get success in your NeoBucks business. Okay guys, in the next video I will show you how to open the ATM account. So if you like this video, just click the like button below and give your valuable comments in the comments box.